to my YouTube channel again. Today it's actually like Sunday and I'm actually going out with my friends. So I'll be getting ready for that, and while I'm actually going to get ready, I'll give you all my life update also. So you all be very like updated कि ये 7 months से थी कहाँ पे, कर क्या रही थी, what was everything going on in my life. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the last vlog which I actually made, I think it was of Diwali only, and after that it was my birthday. So I didn't made any kind of a birthday vlog, which I could have made, but obviously I didn't do it anyways. So after my birthday, I actually wanted to have kind of an exposure experience in a corporate world. So I just joined like an organization which was a fashion show for the kids. So I was like, yeah, it's of a kind of a my interest only. So yeah, let's just join it. Okay, so basically then I just like joined the organization in the month of December. So the first month was very tough for me. It was way too hard. Like I couldn't adjust there, and I was really not working. I was the worst performer anyways. But yeah, it after the month my position actually got changed. Like I got shifted into another office. Then it was like, okay, there I made few friends and I was like, okay, अब थोड़ा सही चल रहा है. Then I was on the track and then I worked way too hard. I actually worked there for 6 months and it was amazing. Like I just can't tell you, I enjoyed every second. बात करते करते अपना मेकअप करना भूल ना जाऊँ. So I like बीच बीच में I'll be keep doing that also because मेरी आदत नहीं है मेकअप करते करते बात करने की. I was working only. Then I realized that my exam date is coming. And I was like, okay, I need to work very hard for that because that was an entrance exam for Ferguson, for Christ, and that was Amity also. So Amity University actually didn't have any kind of entrance exam, but Ferguson Christ do have. So I wanted to do like a proper preparation for that, and I was like, okay, I need to really work very hard on that. So I just then I just resigned from the job, and that was like okay thing. And after that, I think I actually like resigned on the 16th May. It was my last day, and after that for almost a month I worked. I for almost a month I studied psychology, and it was so difficult for me. I mean, completing a yearly course in just 1 month was thing. Like in the college time it was okay, but here it was difficult because I never studied research methodology, neither I studied any kind of a organizational psychology or developmental psychology. Like I have studied few of the aspects of that, but not in a detailed manner, right? So it was hard for me, but anyways I completed my course almost like in 10 days. I prepped my notes, syllabus and everything, and then after that I just did like a learning wala cheese, right? I think my concealer is almost like blend, right? Okay, let me just blend it first. Told you all that I was prepping for my entrance exam. So my entrance was done. I just got free yesterday only. I think my exam for Ferguson and Christ, both of the colleges, the entrance exam was nice, but in Christ the interview is like okay, so I'm not sure about it, and even there is no update about the result, which I'll be getting in almost like a week. So let's just keep finger crossed and hope for the best. Out almost after a month to meet my friends, and it is going to be fun because we will be doing a lot of a chit chat and it is going to be fun. Yeah, right. So yes, I think I have almost given you my life update while just applying my concealer only because I was not focused on doing my makeup. So I'm quickly going to do it because I'm actually getting late now. So the tint is I think done. Yeah, I'm actually doing a kind of a peachy makeup. If you see my top, it's orange. So yeah, it's a kind of a very peachy and a cute makeup. Okay. Okay, my makeup looks amazingly well. I'm way too done with this. Yeah, I'm just going to now apply mascara and change my outfit and then talk to you again. I love you. guys, so it's Monday today, and today I'm actually going to buy something very special for me. Like, I've been waiting for this moment since years. I mean, since years, like literally. And I was saving for this, and obviously, I'm very grateful to my parents also because they are also supporting me. And yes, so yeah, I don't want to tell you right now. You'll just see now in my next few clips. So yeah, let me just give you a quick OTTD and yeah, let's not just wait and let's go. It's Tuesday today and I have just completed like few of the brands shoot which were pending for a week because मेरे हाथ पे भी लगी हुई थी and then there were exams also so I couldn't do it but yes so we did it right now and अभी मेरी friend आने वाली है खुशी so we are gonna meet her. Guys, meet Khushi. Hi Khushi. Hello. भाई अब ऐसा लग रहा है ना अभी बाहर मौसम अच्छा हो रहा है पर यहाँ इतना अजीब सा हो रहा है इतनी ह्यूमिडिटी हो रही है क्या बताऊँ मौसम से बाहर अच्छा है बाकी अंदर बिल्कुल खराब गर्मी भी है और मेरे रूम में एसी भी नहीं है कोई नहीं वी विल एडजस्ट हेलो अरे यार ये नहीं करा करते हमेशा ये क्यों करती है ये मेरी आदत हो जाएगी ये जाएगी मैं ये करती हूँ गाइस ओके ओके दैट्स खुशी विक्ट्री Hi guys, so it's Wednesday today and I just took shower right now and abhi I'm actually like planning to shoot few more content. Like yesterday also I did thoda bahut like shooting wali cheez. Abhi also I need to like shoot for a few of the brands because yesterday it was like golden hour बिल्कुल नहीं था and there are few brands who specifically want golden hour बट आई डोंट थिंक सो कि अभी लाइक ऐसे इतनी लाइट आ रही है बिकॉज लाइक इन जयपुर द वेदर इज टू गुड लाइक लेट मी जस्ट शो इट टू यू कैन यू लाइक हियर द साउंड ऑफ लाइक द क्लाउड्स लाइक सच अ प्लीजेंट वेदर इट इज anyways I need to like shoot for sure today because I have already been on a, like a deadline वाला चीज़ जो है वो क्रॉस कर चुकी हूँ. Now I need to like shoot anyhow so I'll be like shooting and काफ़ी सारे PRs आए हुए हैं so I need to like arrange them in a proper way कि कौन कौन से ब्रांड है जिनका like content बाकी है and other few stuff so yeah we have like a lot of work to do today actually. Okay, so we are ready. Abhi now I need to do puja, then I need to have my lunch, and then I am gonna do like the shooting and every part. Till then, see you. Bye. Hi you all. So for today, like all the works which I wanted to do, like my to-do list for today specifically, all the things are done. Now I have even like posted the PR stories which I wanted to do for the brand. So I thought like I can also show you all like my YouTube fam specifically what are the things which I've got. And yeah, of course you will see those products in my few of the reels, but definitely depends upon the brand when I'll be like posting it. Obviously after the approval I get it. So yeah, till then I can actually show you all what are the things which I've got. So yeah, let's do it. So I'm not gonna do any kind of like a try on for the outfit specifically. I'll just like attach the image over here because obviously I'll be wearing it in my reel. So you can see how the dress looks on me later. So first of all, we have a PR from Blue and Sky. So I have received like two dresses, and we also have a eye makeup, that's like an eye brush set we have. So yeah, let me show you. See, we have this cute peachy cord set. I think I am now dying to be like a island girl. Even not island, I actually want to go over a beach and wear this. It looks so cute. Let me just show you it. So this is like the skirt, and the best part about this is it's like material, and the detailing, if you will see over this, like it's like a sleeve. I don't know if it's like even visible or not. So this is like the sleeve of the top. I'll just attach the image so you can actually like see how this actually corset looks like. So we have received this corset. Next up we have this beautiful white bodycon dress. I think I have tried it, so that is the reason ये बिल्कुल ऐसे उल्टी हो रखी है. So yeah, this is like a kind of a white dress which I have received from Lulu and Sky. I'll again attach the image over here so you can just check it out. Of this makeup brush. So I have a parcel from Uptowny. So up from Uptowny we have like a black top. You've already seen me yesterday wearing it. I'll attach the image over here. Then we have with us this. Then we also have with us this jogger pants, which looks amazing. Yeah, they are very cool. It's actually of like cotton material, so it's very good to wear in summer specifically. Then we also have this shirt. So this is like the shirt. So this is the shirt which I'm talking about, right? So this is also of like cotton material. It's very soft. Like I already have like one shirt from them, and I love their material. So I even ordered another print in the same like the prints, there are different prints are there, so I ordered one of those only, right? It's from Mimi, so it's just like there is only one top. So I got myself this cute pink ruffle top from them specifically. So it looks like, okay, it looks very weird in the video. So it's like this. Wait, I'll just attach the image only because I don't think so I'll be able to explain you in a proper way. So if you see this top, it has like a knot and a bow over here. So this is something very cute. It has a very beautiful white lace detailing also. So yeah, it is gonna look cute over me. So I'm excited to wear it. So next up we have a package from Plum. So Plum has sended me, wait, let me just see. Okay, so they have sended me like a face serum. Then we also have a glow boost then we also have a glow boost serum. Then we have a face wash. So yeah, they have sent me 3 products. So these are the products we have from Plum. I have Just Little Things. So Just Little Things it's a jewelry brand, and they have sent me jewelry, and I have actually like made a video also. So the best piece, like these like bangle bracelets, I would say they are very trendy, and I also got myself one. So I'll attach like a clip over here where you can see all the jewelry pieces. So they have sent me few earrings and a neck piece and this bracelet too. 2 products from Lotus. So Lotus has sent me, they have actually like sent me a under eye cream. It's a coffee under eye cream. Then we also have their sunscreen. So yeah, I'm actually gonna so I'll actually like use them and see how they works well on the skin. So I like it. Then I can actually give you like a review also. It's from Moini. It's an Instagram brand, and best part is they have sent me so many stuff, like the packaging. See, they have done so much of mehnat, I would say. So what do we have in this? We have Nishita Sakla collab. Then we also have few of the stickers which says, okay, we also have a seed. That's very nice. It's a ornamental, I don't know what to pronounce it, I'm sorry. So yeah, we also have flowers from this. We have a discount coupon code. Okay, we also have a chocolate inside it. Okay, let me just get back to what do we have inside this. Okay, so they have again sent me cords. Okay, that is so again, guys. Again, I need to go to beach. I think I literally own so many of the stuff from beach. So this is like a cute, shirt, tie and dye t-shirt. Then we have a skirt, and again, it is like you can do it. Like, wow. I can't wait to hear it. And even actually, we do have a package from Perfora also. So they have actually sent me a oral kit which contains like there is like a electric toothbrush is there, and we also have their specifically purple magic whitening serum. Like, yeah, so I'm gonna like try it and see like do they actually it actually works, or it is just like a hype which they have created. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, these are the PR packages which I have actually received, and I am so grateful to all the brands which they have sent me. Like, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So yeah, that's it for today. So it's Friday today, and I literally woke up so late, like around 10:30 a.m. Usually I do wake around like 9 a.m. around, but yeah, obviously today it was a bit late for me. And again, like yeah, like just like yesterday, it is today also it's a very lazy day. The weather of Jaipur is beautiful, but I feel like I don't wish to go out of my bed also. So I'm just binge watching like Harry Potter all day, and I'm not doing nothing currently. Like right now my mom has just asked me कि let's go thoda sa out and get few stuff for our mandir and like for our home something. So I'll be going like out with her, and I also need to like buy few accessories for my phone. So I am planning to go alone around like 4 or maybe 5 p.m. Then I also need to collect my documents from my office. So yeah, let's see if we can manage to do all these things today. Yeah, obviously need to do it today because I really want to collect my documents for sure, because it's already been very late. I didn't went only there, so yeah, let's do it. Okay. I also got this box to keep my jewelries. Then we went to Palika Bazaar to buy some accessories for my phone and meet my friend Tutu. She lives in my colony and she's the cutest here actually. Then I came back home and organized all of my jewelries. Like, it took me hours, like literally. So here we have all of our silver jewelry oxidized specifically. Then we have the heavy earrings. We have this dainty golden jewelries, and in this we have all my neck pieces, my rings, and few of the bracelets also. And silver jewelry in this. So basically it's a very bad weather and Daisy को लग रही है डर. Oh, that's quite a good rate. Oh shit. Daisy? At night, we also witnessed the victory of India in the World Cup. Then I did my diary writing and summarized my whole week. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.